What mistakes should teachers avoid when creating accessible documents? Imagine a classroom where every student can access and understand the materials easily. Creating accessible documents is key to making that happen. But even well-meaning teachers can make mistakes that block some students from fully engaging. Let's explore what to watch out for and how to fix common pitfalls. First, many teachers forget to use the built-in heading styles in their word processors or document editors. Instead of manually changing font sizes or making text bold to create headings, use the document's heading styles like Heading 1 or Heading 2. This helps screen readers understand the structure of the document and navigate it easily. Another mistake is not adding alternative text for images and visuals. Every picture, chart, or graphic should have a brief description that explains what it shows. If an image is just decorative, mark it as such so screen readers skip it. This way, students who are blind or have low vision get the full picture without unnecessary interruptions. Relying on color alone to convey information is a common error. For example, highlighting important points with red or green without adding labels or patterns can leave colorblind students in the dark. Always include text labels, shapes, or patterns that reinforce the message alongside color cues. Poor color contrast is another issue. If the text color is too similar to the background, it becomes hard to read. Use high contrast combinations like black on white or dark blue on light yellow to make sure everyone can see the content clearly. Using fancy or tiny fonts can also cause problems. Stick to simple, easy-to-read fonts like Arial or Calibri, and make sure the font size is at least 12 points. Larger sizes work better on smaller screens or for students with visual impairments. Underlining for emphasis can confuse users. Reserve underlining for hyperlinks only. If you underline other text, screen readers might think it's a link, which can be confusing. Instead, use bold or italics for emphasis. Hyperlinks should be descriptive. Instead of saying "click here," use phrases like "download the assignment instructions" or "visit the science resources page." Clear descriptions help students using screen readers understand where the link leads. Always specify the primary language of the document. If you forget to do this, screen readers might mispronounce words, especially in multilingual documents. Set the language in the document properties to improve accuracy. Videos shared in class should have captions. Captions provide text versions of spoken words, making content accessible to deaf or hard-of-hearing students. Check that captions are accurate and synchronized with the video. Avoid using emojis or symbols as bullets or within important instructions. Screen readers can stumble over emojis, making messages unclear. Use standard bullets or numbered lists instead, and if you do use symbols, add descriptive alt text. Lastly, don't place text directly over images without enough contrast. If you want to overlay text on a picture, make sure the background is dark or blurred, or add a semi-transparent overlay behind the text. This keeps the words readable for everyone. To improve accessibility, start with the right tools. Use features in programs like Microsoft Word or Google Docs that support accessibility checks. Always review your documents with built-in checkers to catch issues early. Learning basic principles like proper heading use, adding alt text, and checking contrast can make a big difference. Collaborate with specialists if needed, especially when creating materials for diverse learners. By avoiding these common mistakes and making use of available technology, teachers can create documents that welcome all students and support their learning journeys.